not everything that you build is going to live inside your house. Some of your projects are going to need to live outside, and that's where we want to go to glues that will tolerate that. So Titebond II might be one of your choices for that. Titebond II is weather and water resistant. It can also be used for all your interior stuff if you want. So we can default to this glue for everything. But when you're going outside, you definitely want to consider a glue that is water and weather resistant. So what are we looking at here? Outside, it could be mailboxes, planters, anything that's going to be damp for much of its life. What about inside your house? What applications do we have there? Think about cabinets you might build for a bathroom environment where the humidity is typically high. So something like a bathroom vanity, we'd find Titebond II to be a better choice than original because of its ability to be water and weather resistant. It's also Fda approved, so what that means is that if you're going to have proximity to food, this is a good choice for that. So that'd be something like a cutting board. So again, with two, what we get is that water and weather resistance. It does have a faster tack time than similar glues. Now, that can be a good thing because what it does is it lets us remove the clamps from our project more quickly. So that faster tack, that faster grab can be a good feature. It's a good thing to consider when you're making your glue choice.